big hello to all the pretty girls over there watching my video. Today I'm going to review something fabulous, and that is the February Fab Bag. Fab Bag is a subscription I had ordered from www.fabbag.com. It is a subscription for you can order for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and depending on that you get products every month, cosmetic products every month, which is the worth of which is much more than the money you paid for it. So I think it's a great deal for hoarders like me and cosmetic lovers all over India who can, just order their, it's like a goodie bag you get every month. So yeah, it's very exciting. That's why I'm beaming with joy today because I've got my February Fab bag. I've got today is the 28th of February. So yeah, that's a bummer. So the first two products I'd like to review is the Kama Ayurveda products, which I got. One is the Mridul, and the other one is the rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream. Now the Mridul I have used, it's worked wonders for my skin. It brightens your skin instantly, and it is a natural and soap-free cleanser. You can mix milk or water with it to soften the product, make it a paste-like concoction, and apply it on your face. It is one of the best things I have done to my face ever. It is 295 bucks, which is really reasonable for a Kama Ayurveda product because Kama Ayurveda products are a little expensive. Like the rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream, which I had received, which and the original price of which is 1195 bucks for 50 grams. So yeah, it is kind of expensive. I'm going to use this on my mother because I already use the Kama Ayurveda serum, and I'm not gonna, switch it with this because that is working for me. So this I'll use it on my mom and let you all know whether it's working or not. You this the Mridul is gonna last you a week if you're using it twice daily, and this is it's a night cream. You use it once, and it's gonna last to 10 days. So it's a good deal. Next product is wow, it's so pretty. It's the Sally Hansen product. It's the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails nail paint, and it's in a shade called, okay, I can't, Ice Mocha Frost, and it's priced at 375 rupees, and it's a 13.3 ml, which is the full size product. Yes, I got a Sally Hansen full size product, 375 bucks for just paying 499 a month, along with a host of other products. So yeah, I'm lucky. This is the shade as I've applied it on top of a white colored nail polish for it to pop. So yeah, it's a great shade. I like it because I'm not a big fan of very flashy nail paint, and this one works for me. Now, which one to show you next? Okay, this one. This is the Livon Moroccan Silk Serum. I was going to buy this one, but then I heard that the Fabbag people are giving it away in the February Fabbag, so I said, wait, you should wait, not spend. So I did that, and it's worth it. It makes your hair silky and nice and like really beautiful. It works better than the serum which I had from Habib's before this. So yeah, it is a 30 ml pack priced at 143. I'm counting that this as a full size product because it's quite a large quantity. It's gonna last me more than a month. So yeah, anything which lasts me more than a month is a full size product. Now, for the hero of the entire lot is this amazing lip color. It is so good. I can't tell you how good it is. I'm wearing it right now, by the way. It's the LA Splash Lip Cutter lipstick. The packaging is not nice. It is very tacky, whatever. I thought it's not a good product, it's just an average product. But much to my surprise, it is the best lipstick I have ever used. It is the best lipstick I have ever used, and I'm repeating it because I mean it. It doesn't come off. You eat, you do whatever. It just does not come off. I have this in a shade called, wait, I'll tell you, Poison Apple. It's made in USA, by the way. It will not come off. Excellent payoff. It looks like a gloss, but it's not a gloss. You apply it and it gives this amazing matte finish. Now the thing is this, that it is a very opaque product. It will stain your lips. So what I advise it, you balm your lips 5 minutes prior to the application of the lipstick. Wait, take a tissue, dab it on your lips, again wait for say 10 seconds, and then apply a this lipstick to your lips. But why I tell you is because it will stain your lips, and it's going to stain your lips real bad. So it's best to take some precaution and apply maybe a good quantity of lip balm on your lips before wearing this lipstick, and then you can do whatever you want to do and it's not gonna come off until and unless you remove it with a nice makeup remover or baby oil as per your choice. Now for the swatch. Yes, this is the payoff, girls. This is the payoff. It is so amazing. I did not want to waste it like this, but just for you all. Just for you all. Anyways, so this is the payoff. It has this creamy texture right now, but within not 4 to 5, 2 to 3 minutes, it's gonna become matte. What else does a girl want? Matte, lipstick which stays the entire day, and it's priced at 1,000 bucks, by the way. And again, I get this fab post. It's really cute. It tells you tips and tricks. It has contests and gives you offers on the various fab bag products. So yeah, you can check this out. And this is so cute. This is the lovely date night post, which personalized post, which a soul sister has sent to me, and it says, gives me details of all the products which I have got, and gives me the prices of the full size products. So yeah, this is a long video. It's gonna be 8 minutes right now. So yeah, please subscribe for the Fab Bag. It is amazing, and trust me, the experience will be amazing when you get a goodie bag every month. That's it. Bye.